You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this crypto analysis video. In today's video, we'll be looking at the Bitcoin 1-day chart, and on the 4-hour chart, market has broken out right here on the support. I'll be talking about this, and also on ETH 1-day chart at this very level of support. I talked about this in my last video yesterday, and also on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart. What are we looking at in the market? As we see, the market begin to move back to the downside as predicted. All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, Remit Trade, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the 1-day chart, BTC USDT, yesterday I talked about the market coming back down to 21k level, and I said if you put the Fibonacci retracement, if you from this level up to this very point right here, you see that market is going to come back down, and we're going to see the market come back into this level of 0.382, that is around the 21k level. So I am still expecting this market to come down a little bit to the downside. That means from here still expect the market to come back down into this very level of 21,300 and 21,100 at this very point of support, because this is a very nice support at this area of 2600 to this very area of 21k. So this is what I am paying attention to right now on the chart. And if you look at the MACD indicator, the MACD indicator is giving us a lot of momentum to the downside. If you see the histogram, increase in momentum to the histogram and dilation between the signal line and the MACD line at this area is also an indication that market is still going to move to the downside. Until we see reduced momentum on the histogram, expect the market to come back down. A breakout on this level of support is going to send the market back into the 18k level, like I said yesterday. So still expect the market to come back down in this formation. And on the 4-hour chart, BTC USDT, yesterday I talked about this very level of support, and I said you should pay attention to this level of support, and that a breakout of this level of support is going to send the market back into this level of 21k, and that is what we are seeing right now. If you take this trade, it should be a massive profit right now, and at this very area of 21,100 and 21,200, we're going to see the market bounce back up. So I am still expecting the market to move down from this very area to the downside. So from here where the market is right now, I expect the market to still come back into this level of 21,200 at this very area on the chart. So this is what I am still paying attention to on the 4-hour chart, BTC USDT. And also if you add the MACD indicator, you see that the MACD histogram is showing good momentum to the downside, which also means that market is still going to move back down. A dilation between the signal line and the MACD line also indicates that market is going to come back down into this level of support. ETH USDT 1-day chart, yesterday I talked about market dropping up to this level of support. If you put the Fibonacci retracement from this very area to the upside, see at this very point we have a very strong support here from there, and at this very area is where we have the 0.382, and this very point is not far from where this support is. So from here up to this very point is where you should expect the market to come into before we will see nice retracement to the upside. So market should come into this very level of support right at this area on the chart, and this is what I am expecting. So that means that market should still come back down into this level before we can see little retracement, and then maybe continuation to the downside before the final move to the upside again on the chart. So this is what I am looking at. And looking at the MACD as well, if you look at the MACD, you will see that the MACD is still forming on the negative side of the MACD with a little increased momentum on this very 2 histogram, which also indicate that markets have capacity of coming back down a little bit to this very area of 0.382 on the Fibonacci retracement. And this level is where I am paying attention to as we see the market come back down. And on the 4-hour chart, I talk about market coming back into this very level, and that you should first of all pay attention to this very area of support, and that a breakout on this level of support right at this area mean the market is going to come back down. And the exact same thing, guys, a breakout here, because we have a good support at this very point, we have support at this very area, and we have support at this very area, plus resistance here and resistance on this very level. If you look at this very area, it's a very strong level. So that means a breakout here, just like I was talking about yesterday, mean the market is going to come back down at the exact same thing to this very level of support right now. And also a breakout here at this level of support is going to move the market back down further into this very level of $1,400 level. That means if you see a breakout here with a significant bearish candle, market is going to still move back down from this area into this $1,400 level at this very level of support, because this level of support is where you see the market spike from here to the upside. So when market come back down again, this is a key level to watch in the market as well. So this is what I am paying attention to right now on the chart. On ETH, expect the market to come back down into this level of $1,522, and a breakout is going to send the market back down. So what do you think about the market on BTC USDT 1-day chart? Do you think the market is going to from here go back to the upside, or we're going to see the market still continue a little bit to the downside and break this level, come back into the $18K level before the next move to the upside? Comment below in the comment section of this video. And if you are new to this channel, Remit Trade, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. And if you've not registered on Binance OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit when you use the affiliate link down below this video. If you want to learn how to trade crypto on spots and futures with simple technical and fundamental analysis, check the description. You see a contact, reach out to me immediately and get properly mentored. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.